Hello, my dears. We are going to learn Unit 7 in First Flight textbook Glimpses of India, Part 2 Coorg, written by Lokesh Abrol. In this part, we get an idea about the tourist destination Coorg. First of all, let's see where is Coorg located. Coorg or Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is located midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore. This land is inhabited by a proud race of martial men. Means having to do with war. Beautiful women and wild creatures. Coorg is a popular tourist destination and is noted for its evergreen rainforests, spices, and coffee plantations. The main crop of Coorg is coffee. During monsoons, it rains so heavily that tourists do not visit Coorg. The suitable time to visit Coorg is from September to March. There are two stories about Kodavu people's descent. The first one is of Greek descent and the other one is of Arabic descent. According to one story, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled there when return became impractical. These people married amongst the locals. According to the second story, Kodavu people are the descendants of Arabs. Do you know the reason? Kodavu people wear long black coat with an embroidered waist belt known as kufiya. It resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs. People of Coorg are very brave. They are the bravest soldiers in the Indian army. The Coorg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army, and the first chief of the Indian army, General Cariappa, was a Coorgi. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Now let's see the animals you are likely to see in Coorg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish. Birds like kingfisher and other animals like squirrels, langurs, butterflies, bees accompany the tourists in this area, while wild elephants can be seen enjoying bathing in the rivers. If you are on a trek, macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender loris can be spotted on the trees. Now let's learn the sports Coorg offers to the tourists. A variety of high energy adventure activities are offered to the tourists like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Trekking is also one of the most famous activities. The major tourist attractions in Coorg are Brahmagiri Hills, Nisargdam Island, and Bailakuppe Tibetan settlements. Coorg gives visitors a feel of India's diverse cultures. Thank you.